It's true, the world of robot vacuum is becoming more advanced and futuristic. Plus, there's no surprise in the self-emptying base. However, when the robot is on the base, it washes the mop, doing all your job by itself, which is something new. Till now, there are two robotic vacuums in the market that feature self-mop cleaning, which are the Deebot X1 OMNI and Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. So let's talk a bit about these two and find out if OMNI can defeat MaxV Ultra in the feature comparison. Let's go. Both of these smart robot vacuums have the most advanced navigation and use LiDAR to navigate precisely. Along with the LiDAR sensor, there is also a 3D sensor, optic camera, and other bevy of sensors that allows them to recognize small to big objects while cleaning. All of them can scan the surroundings to avoid obstacles, making navigation more precise and seamless. However, Roborock allows its users to build customizable maps, while the RoboVac itself views rooms in 3D, 2D, and matrix layouts, allowing you to get a better grasp of what rooms the vac needs to tackle. On the other hand, Deebot X1 combines mapping and navigation tech for a single hardware/software, and it's not as precise as the Roborock. So in this category, Roborock is a clear winner. When it's all about cleaning and mopping, both robot vacuums did a tremendous job on our test. Each of them supports combo cleaning and mopping, but the Roborock model also has the advantage for its auto mop lifting. That means when it goes over the carpet, the mop lifts up, and this feature is missing on the Deebot. Apart from that, the X1 OMNI does a better job at cleaning its mop, filling a little sink in the dock with water and swirling them around every 15 minutes while cleaning. Then when it's finished, it will quietly blow hot air for 2 to 4 hours to get them properly dry. The OMNI also has much larger tanks, but we still need to refill them as often as the Roborock model. Now before we talk about the runtime, we would like to mention that both are packed with a 5200 mAh battery, but Deebot X1 can run up to 4 hours straight on a single charge. And it's far better than the S7 MaxV Ultra. But sadly, the recharging time of Ecovacs OMNI is really time-consuming, where Roborock takes only a few hours to float the battery bars, so let's call it a tie. After the runtime, now let's talk about what kind of smart features they offer. Well, both support voice commands, and the Roborock only works with compatible voice assistants. It can be annoying sometimes since voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and more are prone to misunderstanding commands. On the other hand, Ecovacs come with a dedicated voice assistant which is called Eco. That means no troubling when you're giving voice commands to the cleaning bot. Considering today's leading robot vacs can be quite expensive, it's important to know just how much change you'll be laying down for an amazing flagship vacuum. However, you can grab the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra for $1,400, and you have to pay $150 more if you want to bring the Deebot X1 OMNI instead of Roborock. The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra and Ecovacs Deebot X1 OMNI seem to be changing the game for what we'll expect from premium robot vacuums going forward. Based purely on specs alone, it sounds like the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra will have a slightly better shot at the title of Best Vac, thanks to its price and a few of its extra cleaning and mapping perks. However, that doesn't mean the Deebot X1 OMNI is not a good vacuum. It has a dedicated voice assistant, offers better runtime, and many more that allows it to stand out from the crowd. So, that was all about the Deebot X1 OMNI just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.